Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm going to use the Massca pocket hole jig for the first time today. Bought this a couple weeks ago to try it out, and I like how it's all aluminum, and the fact that you can separate from the main clamp assembly to use it as an independent pocket jig. And the dust pour is also a nice feature. Looking forward to, I'll make a little noise here with the vacuum, but it's also got this plate so it butts right up to the edge of your piece of work. So let's give it a go. Well, so far it's going to be a pretty nice tool. In addition to the shop, the dust board is the key, I think. I mean, I've used others and you get all sorts of buildup in there and it just covers up the workbench, but this seems to pull all the sawdust right out of your work area. So looking forward to using it some more. I'll post more videos down the road. All right, have a good night.